Hi, I'm Sarah from Sutton Schoolswork. Welcome to our online assemblies all about our senses. Each week we will share some fascinating facts about the human body, tell you a Bible story and give you a challenge for the week ahead. Are you ready and listening? Then let's begin. Our assemblies this term are all about our senses. Can you remember the 5 senses that all human beings and animals have? Touch, taste, sight, smell and hearing. This week's assembly is all about sight. So let's play a game. Let's have a look at some optical illusions. I'm going to show you a picture. What is the first thing that you see? Can you see anything else in the picture if you look carefully? Let's hear some fascinating facts.
Yes, acetic acid. I didn't spot you there. Welcome to my laboratory. And today I'm going to introduce you to one of our sensational senses. And today is the sense of sight. I think that of all the senses, the sense of sight is my absolute favourite. Did you know? Did you know that our eyes are amazing and complex organs, and they're working from the moment we wake up in the morning till the moment we close our eyes and go back to sleep. Our eyes take images and light and convert them into electrical impulses, send them to the brain, and the brain recognises them, and eureka! We can see. Let me leave you with a sensational fact. The image that's formed on the retina at the back of our eye is actually upside down. But the brain figures this out and it turns it the right way up so we can see properly. Isn't that amazing? I want to say see you next time. Have a sensational week.
Today's Bible story is about a man who couldn't see. Let's find out what happened when he met Jesus.
Jesus came near the city of Jericho. There was a blind man sitting beside the road. He was begging people for money. When he heard the people coming down the road, he asked, "What is happening?" They told him, "Jesus, the one from Nazareth, is coming here." The blind man was excited and said, "Jesus, Son of David, please help me." The people who were in front leading the group told the blind man to be quiet. But he shouted more and more, "Son of David, please help me." Jesus stopped there and said, "Bring that man to me." When the blind man came close, Jesus asked him, "What do you want me to do for you?" He said, "Lord, I want to see again." Jesus said to him, "You can see now. You are healed because you believed." Immediately, the man was able to see. He followed Jesus, thanking God. Everyone who saw this praised God for what happened. And now it's question time. What did the blind man call out to Jesus? Why did Jesus say that the man had been healed? What did the people do after they saw what happened?
Before you were born, 1 million nerve endings stretched out from your brain to meet up and match up with another 1 million nerve endings from your eye. All 2 million of them matched up perfectly. Wow! Christians believe that God did all of this when he was making your eyes. Even the most advanced technology on the earth today is nothing compared to the human eye. The Bible says, "I praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made." Your challenge for this week: look out for new and amazing things that you can see. Thank you for watching today. See you next time. Bye.